Right, what up guys? So in this video I'm going to be opening the 10 crates I've been saving up for to hopefully get some surprises. A 10 grand, not bad. It doesn't do anything to me though. I'm always getting wheels, like it's getting annoying. I've already got that. Pumpkin. Nah mate, my car's not gonna look like a pumpkin. No, didn't want that. And that's not bad. Another 10 grand. That's all good. Oh, I don't think you can buy that from the shop. That's decent. Alrighty. Last one. Yeah, 10 grand. Alright, so another thing I'm going to talk about in this video is I've been saving my money and I'm not sure on what car to get next. So I'm thinking about the WRX. I really like that car. I've driven one in real life before. R34, that's a tidy looking car. The A85, could do that. And the car I'm going to be building from scratch. I'm not going to use any of my inventory parts. I'm going to buy everything from scratch. So yeah, I made this YouTube channel about, I can't remember when it was, but I figured I want to get it started and start gaming on this game. And I've got Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, so if you want to see those videos, comment down in the comments below and give this video a like. And I will do a money trick in GTA San Andreas if yous are interested. So yeah, I'm not sure on what car to get next. I've got 1.8 mil, so I will be building the car from scratch. I'm gonna see what turbo I can. Oh, fucking hell! Let's see what turbo I can afford. Probably all of them. Not the fucking gold one though, because that's. Oh, yeah, I can. 30 psi boost. Could get that from my R35. But yeah, I'm not sure on what car. So this is my R35 right now. $2,085 84 horsepower. I'm running T1R turbo. Max Power Racing exhaust. VX Kawaii intercooler. I think that's how you pronounce it. Correct me if I'm wrong. VX Force Plus pistons. and a VX Super plus 2-step ECU, and just a standard VX honeycomb filter. And I recently purchased the Rocket Bunny kit. I'm not a big fan of them, but just makes my car look better. You know what I mean? I might delete the front bumper, so it gives it that intercooler on the front. Pretty sexy. So yeah, if you want to see more videos, subscribe and like. And if you want to see a video on me building a new car, comment in the comments below on what car I should build, and I'll pick from them later on. And yeah, if you can give me 20 likes, it's not much, but just started this YouTube channel, so yeah, it'll be a help. Get this channel on the road. So if you want to see more videos, just like and subscribe. I'll catch you later. See ya.